Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or hello if you're new. I haven't uploaded in a little while, same old story. I really need to get better at my uploads. Also, sorry if you can hear the road outside, I live on a main road. But anyway, I'm back today. I thought I would do like an everyday makeup tutorial, get ready with me, catch up kind of video, but this is going to be a bit different to my other everyday makeups because they're more of like my daytime makeup for, I don't really care if my makeup needs to last all day or anything like that, but this is my kind of long wearing summer everyday makeup which I would wear if I'm going for like daytime drinks or like going out in the evening, but something a bit more chilled where I don't want like full on night out makeup. So yeah, this makeup could be worn in the day or the evening, so it's really nice and long wearing, but it's still really nice and like glowy and bronzed. So yeah, I'm just gonna chit chat with you, catch you up on what's been going on in my life and do my makeup. So I'm still gonna start off by using my By Terry Cellulose Brightening CC Serum. I don't use this all the time, but I find when I use this foundation that it looks really nice underneath. So just using this first. And oh yeah, first thing that I need to address, which I completely forgot to even mention, is that I've changed my hair. I literally changed it last night. My friend dyed it for me because I just really wanted to go a lot blonder. I needed to replace my hair extensions. I did a review of them a few videos back. I got them in December and yeah, they just really needed replacing. So I thought instead of just buying the same kind of colour, I would go a lot blonder, and that's what I've done and I absolutely love it. I think the extensions, to be honest, are a little bit dark. They have quite a few dark pieces in, so I think I might go back through my hair and actually get a few like low lights put in so that the extensions blend a bit better. But I really like it. I'm really liking being blonde so far. I haven't actually been out with like my makeup done with my hair blonde and my extensions and everything. This is my first time wearing the extensions, so that'll be interesting. And also clothes wise, I feel like my clothes that I used to wear before probably won't look the same because I wear a lot of like beige and cream and my hair is now cream basically, so I don't know how that's going to work, but hopefully it'll all be okay. So yeah, I've just put that on, and then if I want my makeup to last, I always use a primer. I've been using a few different random ones. I've been using the Hourglass Veil primer, and then I've also been using the Arborian Pink Perfect cream as a primer, or I've been using the CoverFX blurring primer. I've been trying out loads. I've got 4 samples here from Space & Cake because I want to buy a new one, and yeah, I'm not really sure which one I'm going to try. I think I might try the Laura Mercier foundation primer in Radiance because I do love Laura Mercier primers. I had one before. I might have actually had this one before, and they are really big, so you get loads of product for your money. So I'm just going to apply this. Like I said, I've been using like the Hourglass one or the CoverFX one, which I think is the blurring one, but I find that with this foundation, because my skin is kind of dehydrated anyway, I find I don't really need it because the foundation I'm going to use, which I will show you, is quite matte on my skin. So I wanted to actually get one that was still going to prime my skin and keep my makeup in place, but also give a bit of a glow to kind of help the foundation look a little bit more natural on my skin. So that is the foundation primer, and then I am going to use my foundation, which is the Hourglass Vanish foundation. This is their liquid foundation. I used to have their stick, which I loved. I picked this up as an alternative, and I do really like it. I think I prefer the stick, but this is still really nice, and it lasts a lot longer because you get a lot more product and I don't really have to use as much. I find with the stick I use quite a lot. So I do like 2 pumps if I want quite like a good coverage to last all day, and then just dot it around my skin and dab it in with my beauty blender. My mirror's over here, by the way, which is why I'm looking over here. But yeah, first update, I am moving in a couple of months. I'm moving in August, which is quite exciting. I'm moving in with my friend Abby, so that'll be really nice. I want to try and look for somewhere a little bit, well, the place that I live is on quite a main road, and I want to live in a little bit more of like a residential area, just so it's a little bit further away, but still really close and easy to get everywhere. So yeah, that is the aim, moving mid-August, which will be nice. I always move in the middle of summer though, which is a pain because obviously it's like stress when you just want to have like a carefree summer, but oh well, it'll be a nice change. And another thing, I've just launched my new lingerie collection for my brand Ace Lovely Intimates. I've launched part 1, I'm launching part 2 either next week or the week after. It's not finished yet. I'm kind of perfecting the final few sets, so as soon as I've done those I will launch part 2. But there's loads of really pretty sets on there. There's like a couple of bralettes which could be used for festivals, which I thought was really cool. I wore one of them to We Are Festival, which I went to a couple of weeks back. I'll put a picture on the screen, and I absolutely loved it. It's probably my favourite piece from the collection. So yeah, once I've dabbed that in, I just check if I need any more coverage, but I think I'm okay today, to be honest. And then I go in with my NARS concealer. This is the Soft Matte Complete Concealer. It's just the hot one. I do have the liquid one as well, and I am going to use it, but I just go in with this one first. And I use this one more to like actually conceal. So I use it under the eyes, but I also use it like around my nose and on any blemishes and stuff like that. I think I have this one in a shade darker than my other NARS one. And then yeah, alongside launching my new lingerie collection, I am launching a new clothing brand called Honey the Label. I have shared it a little bit on my Instagram, but not loads because it's not launching just yet. It's probably launching in about a month. I will give an official release date once we've done the photo shoot and we've got the stock and everything like that. But yeah, I'm doing this with my mum, which is really nice. It's really nice to work with my mum. We used to work together a few years back on Oh So Lovely Intimates, and then I kind of decided to take full control and do it on my own. But yeah, so it'll be really nice to work with her. We're doing it all together, and the first collection is for summer, so it's obviously going to be really summery clothes, like really Aussie vibes, like really nice lightweight fabrics and floaty items and stuff like that. I'm so excited. And we're also doing swimwear, so it's clothes, swimwear and accessories. And then in the summer I'm thinking to do more of like a brights collection, like summery clothes but more like colourful, whereas this collection is more like whites and neutrals and stuff like that. So let me know what you think about that. Let me know in the comments what maybe you'd like to see from the brand. I will link it in the description box so that you can check it out. So yeah, once I've done that, I then take my other concealer, the NARS Stick Concealer, and I just kind of go under my eyes with this just because it's a little bit brighter. I don't have masses of this left, but yeah, I find that this one's just a little bit brighter, so it's nice to just put under the eyes to really brighten everything up. And yeah, I blend everything with my beauty blender just because I find using a damp beauty blender, because of the moisture and everything, it blends everything really nice and seamlessly. So yeah, I'm really enjoying using it. I kind of let it sit for like a minute. I don't really know why. I just feel like it doesn't just all then wipe away and into the beauty blender. So sometimes I'll start my brows, sometimes I'll just kind of sit and text or whatever. I really need to get my brows done, but I'm so terrified of getting them done because I feel like they'll ruin the shape. I'd rather just have them a little bit wild than have the shape ruined. So yeah, I blend that in. You can see what I'm doing. This is a contour palette, by the way. I think it was limited edition from Laura Mercier. I am going to use it, but I will try and link some similar ones down below. I've never really tried any others just because I have this, but I will try and see what other people are liking. I know the Anastasia cream contour kit is really popular. So once that's all done, that's all of like my base makeup, I then move on to my cream contour. So I use a mixture of number 1 and number 2, so I use like the lightest one and the middle one. This is quite dark anyway, to be honest. I will tell you what it's called. It's the Flawless Contouring Palette, just in case it is still available, but I think it was limited edition. But anyway, I take my Real Techniques contouring brush. This is so battered, but yeah, I take this and I kind of mix 1 and 2, and then I just contour my cheeks. When I want to do like a long-lasting makeup look, I always use cream contour first and then set it with bronzer. I just find that it lasts a bit longer and shows up a bit better, so kind of make sure to do that. So I put it around my forehead and then my cheekbones, and then I kind of drag what's left on my jaw. I don't really properly do my jaw, I just kind of drag around what's left. And then tiny bit down my nose. I'm really not very good at this, so I never really know if this looks any good or not, but I do it anyway. And then yeah, I blend the nose with my beauty blender mostly out, and then blend in the rest. I like to use my beauty blender because I find that it then blends really seamlessly with my foundation. This is like a really creamy product, so it kind of needs to be built up quite a bit. As you can see, it's kind of disappeared quite a lot, so I do go over it a couple times, not on like the jaw one or anything, but just on the cheek one. So that is that done. I don't know if you watched my lip filler video, but that was quite a few months ago now, so I am thinking to book in within the next month or so, maybe for a top up. I'm not really sure, but I also want to this is why I want to get away from the noise. But yeah, I also want to maybe get my cheeks done just a little bit. I'm not really sure. I feel like I really like the way my face looks with my contour done, which is how I want it to look all the time when I don't have makeup on, because I don't actually wear makeup that often, so it would be quite nice to have my face a little bit more structured without makeup. So yeah, I think I'm going to have a look into that. I did mention it when I got my lips done, but I haven't really gone any further with it, but I think I might now. And yeah, I'm just going to powder now with, this is the Burberry Fresh Glow Compact Luminous Foundation, and this is in Rosy Nude. It says foundation, but it doesn't, it gives like the tiniest bit of colour, but I wouldn't use it alone. It would definitely not give enough coverage for that. But I just do this just because I am going to bake, but I find if I bake without powdering, it can look a little bit, I don't know, like too, like, I don't know, dry. Small interlude there, just had to make a phone call. But I'm now going to bake my face. Well, not really bake, but I'm going to use like a baking powder. This is the Maybelline Face Studio Setting Powder, and this is the illuminating one, I think it is. It's like the more yellowy one. So yeah, I just use my beauty blender. And around my face, like that. And then I leave it for like a minute. I kind of do my eyebrows or something whilst that's setting. So I'm literally using this old MAC eyeshadow in Espresso for my eyebrows. I've been using this for ages. It's so old, but at the moment I don't really have anything else to use, and I don't really know what I want to get to use, so I just kind of use this, and it works well. It doesn't kind of last that well because it's an eyeshadow, obviously not an eyebrow product, but it's good enough. I mean, hopefully my eyebrows still look okay with blonde hair, because I don't really know how else to do them. And I just set them with this. This is the L'Oreal Brow Expert, and I think this is in just like medium dark. And I really like this. It sets them really well. I used to use Glossier Boy Brow, but I didn't find it set them that well, to be honest. I find this one a lot stronger of a hold, and it's a really nice colour. It's like pretty much the same colour as the brow powder that I use, so yeah, works really well. I always make a little bit of a mess though. And then once I've done this, I'll just wipe the rest of this away with my beauty blender. And then just with my brush, just to make sure. And there you go. And then after that, I use this, which is the Becca, I have no idea, Shimmering Skin Perfector in Opal. And on my cream highlight, I find that this powder like makes my skin quite dry. So if I just put powder highlight straight on top, it looks, I don't know, just like it doesn't blend properly. So I like to put a little bit of cream on, although you're not really meant to do like cream powder. I like to put a little bit of cream highlighter on just so that the powder highlighter blends a little bit better. So that's that. And then after that I do my bronzer. This is the Becca Sunlit Bronzer in Ipanema Sun. I've used this for ages. I think I used this in my last makeup tutorial. And I just use this with this brush which I've been using. This is the Hourglass brush. I have no clue what this is called. I have no clue what brushes are called. I just kind of buy them and then see what the shape's like, see if it's nice. And then it usually goes a bit too dark, so I kind of blend it in again with my good old beauty blender. Like so. And then finally for the cheeks, I don't use any blush or anything. I used to. I have so many blushes, but I just find I like my face better without them. I just like to be really bronzed. So I then do my highlighter. This is the Zoeva Luxe Highlight Brush. This one has a name on, so I can tell you. And yeah, I just highlight. I do like above my brows and then my cheekbone, and yeah, this highlighter just goes on so much better with a cream underneath. And then I do the tip and bridge of my nose, the cupid's bow, and then again I just like to blend the edges with my beauty blender. I just feel like if you blend as you go along, it just looks a lot more seamless and lasts a lot longer because it's all kind of like patted down. And then finally for my eyes, I use this eyeshadow. I'll either use my bronzer or I'll use this eyeshadow, which is MAC Uninterrupted. I think I may have used this in my last video as well, but I literally just put this in the crease just for like a little bit of colour. I'm not like mad on eyeshadow. I do a little bit more eyeshadow if I'm doing like a proper night out look, But this I'm going to kind of like a daytimey, kind of like, it's not festival-y, but it's like in a field, it's like got like stalls and drinks and stuff. So yeah, this is like my daytime, long-lasting, a little bit more put together makeup look. So yeah, I just do that, and then I almost dipped it in this then, oh my god. And then I just put a tiny bit underneath, like so. And then the last thing I do before I set my makeup is mascara. At the moment I'm using the Revlon Volumizing mascara. I was sent this and I've just been using it because my NARS one ran out and I haven't picked up a different one yet. I do actually really like it. I make a big mess with it because it's got a really big brush, but I do like it. I'm never really like sold on a mascara. I haven't found a mascara that I'd be like, oh my god, that's my holy grail mascara. So if you have any recommendations, let me know, because I kind of just try a different one each time. But yeah, I'm not really sure if I have any other updates. I'm going to be filming a Tiger Mist haul next, and then I'm going to be filming a kind of like weekend outfits lookbook kind of thing for spring summer. So let me know if there's any particular pieces you'd like me to style in that weekend outfits, and then after that I'll probably film like another haul, or I don't really know. Let me know if there's any videos you'd like to see specifically, and I will film them. I am going to get back to uploading. I'm hoping to do once a week. I'm just kind of going to upload when I have a video to upload. So if I upload twice in 1 week and then not for a whole week, then I will. I'm just going to actually film when I can, because I feel like my schedule just doesn't work trying to have like a set upload day. So yeah, I'm going to upload this today, and then I think the Tiger Mist haul, not today, sorry, tomorrow on Sunday, and then the Tiger Mist haul I think will go up maybe like Wednesday. So yeah, but yeah, this mascara is really good. You can see the difference. Like, it does make your lashes really long. I might put on fake lashes, I'm not really sure. I'm going to see when I've got my outfit and everything on for the day. But yeah, if I was doing this normally I probably wouldn't wear lashes, but I don't know, I'm kind of feeling lashes today. Oh yeah, and as I'm moving, I'm going to be selling loads and loads and loads and loads and loads of clothes on my Depop, because I just do not want to move with as much stuff as I moved with last time. I'm also going to be getting rid of some of my furniture pieces, so I'll probably put them on my Insta story, and then I'll probably put them on Gumtree, to be honest. But if you see anything that you like on my Insta story, then message me and let me know. I probably can only do collection because furniture is obviously really hard to ship. So yeah, that is the finished makeup. I'm going to go and get my lipsticks, it's in my bag, and also my setting spray, and I'll be right back. At the moment I'm using MAC Freckle Tone lipstick. I'm not using a lip liner or anything, just because I find with my lip fillers I don't really need to, like they're kind of defined enough. I really like this lipstick. I've had it forever. I probably should replace it with a new one, to be honest, for hygiene, but it's still fine, hasn't caused me any problems. So yeah, this is Freckle Tone. It's just a really nice light peachy nude colour, really nice and hydrating and moisturising. So yeah, love, love, love that. And then the setting spray I'm using at the moment is just the Primark Glow setting spray. I really like it. It actually seems to work really well. You do have to really shake it because it's quite like shimmery, and hold it. A little bit away from your face, because otherwise, again, shimmery. But yeah, I find it works really well, and it sets my makeup really nicely and makes it, again, really glowy. Because yeah, that foundation is quite matte, but because of the products I've used with it, it comes out quite like glowy and natural looking, but you still get that long wear effect and the high coverage. Hello?
Yeah, what's the door?
Oh, sorry, yeah, I'm just finishing my video. It'll be like 2 seconds. So that is everything, and it's good timing because my friends are now here to get ready to go. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, then leave them in the comments section below. Please check out the down bar for the links to all the makeup items I used, and also all my social media links. I'll also link my new brand Honey the Label, and also my brand Oh So Lovely Intimate, so you can check those out. Check out what's to come with Honey, and also check out all of my new collection pieces for Oh So Lovely Intimate. So yeah, loads and loads and loads there for you to look at. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time. Bye!